As I enter the river, I want to make sure and fish my way across. There's another good seam right here. And I want to make sure that I fish that first so I don't spook any fish out of there to get to those fish on the far side. And we've all done it. That far seam is just, that is the juicy spot. That's it. But that doesn't mean there aren't fish between where you enter the river and that far seam. So you want to make sure you fish your way across the river, across the run. Anything that looks a little bit fishy, put a fly through there. You got nothing to lose.